Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
Forex Live. October 21st. 7:13 America New York. U.S. futures keep lower ahead of North American trading. Softer tones prevail throughout European morning trade if anything. This just looks more like a light pullback after the gains over the past week. As mentioned earlier, it could be some profit taking as U.S. indices near all-time highs.
New York Times Business. October 21st. 7 o'clock America New York, AutoNation's profit jumps as car prices soar. The company, a chain of new vehicle franchises, has been able to cut back on discounts as the chip shortage limits the inventory of cars. Customers browse cars at an AutoNation car dealership in Fremont, California, in February.
Wall Street Journal Markets. October 21st. 6:58 America New York, Blackstone's profit nearly doubles. Blackstone's net income nearly doubled in the third quarter, driven by strong investment performance for its largest strategies and continued expansion into fast-growing new business lines.
Global Economy. October 21st. 6:58 America New York, Blackstone braces for higher inflation as earnings hit record. Asset manager advises its private equity portfolio of companies to expect continued supply chain disruptions.
Wall Street Journal Markets. October 21st. 6:57 America New York, Tesla, Pinterest, IBM, Intel. What to watch when the stock market opens today. Tesla shares edged down pre-market. IBM posted revenue that missed forecasts.
Global Economy. October 21st. 6:40 America New York, Malaysian rubber glove supplier to NHS banned by US for alleged forced labor. Move against Supermax follows UK claims that health service procurements have passed due diligence.
Naked Capitalism. October 21st. 6:34 America New York, India breaks the diaper monopolists. Why won't Americans step up? An innovation popular in rural India offers a solution to the diaper duopoly stinking up the budgets of Western households.
Global Economy. October 21st. 6:31 America New York, speaking truth to power when power pays your salary. The WTO aims for a neutral give us the facts approach and lets member governments do the fighting.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. October 21st. 6:30 America New York, Unilever held back by lingering COVID-19 restrictions in Asia. The Dove soap maker said pandemic-related restrictions in several key markets were still keeping a lid on sales growth even as business begins to return to normal in the U.S.
Wall Street Journal Markets. October 21st. 6:29 America New York, even Hermès shoppers can't escape the supply chain crunch. The company's already scarce Kelly and Birkin handbags are becoming even harder to find. Skyrocketing prices in the resale market show the luxury brand's true health.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. October 21st. 6:29 America New York, even Hermès shoppers can't escape the supply chain crunch. The company's already scarce Kelly and Birkin handbags are becoming even harder to find. Skyrocketing prices in the resale market show the luxury brand's true health.
BBC News Business. October 21st. 6:27 America New York, petrol station stocks back to normal. Filling station storage tanks were 45% full on average on Sunday, according to government figures.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. October 21st. 6:22 America New York, Chinese regulators nudge Didi toward Hong Kong listing. China's internet watchdog suggested ride-hailing giant Didi Global and two other U.S.-listed tech firms explore listings in Hong Kong, as Beijing wraps up cybersecurity investigations into the companies.
Naked Capitalism. October 21st. 6:20 America New York, more on the use and misuse of anger. More discussion of anger in the social and political context.
Forex Live. October 21st. 6:17 America New York, BOJ reportedly considering to phase out pandemic support if COVID-19 infections continue to fall. Reuters reports. Citing sources familiar with the matter, the report says that the BOJ is discussing phasing out a COVID-19 loan program, which is due to expire in March next year, if infections in the country continue to decline and as the economy picks itself back up from the depths of the pandemic. Forex Live. October 21st. 6:01 America New York, UK October CBI trends total orders 9 versus 18 expected. Latest data released by CBI the 21st of October 2021 from higher material costs to labor shortages. Manufacturers continue to face a number of serious global supply challenges hampering their ability to meet strong demand.
New York Times Business. October 21st. 6 o'clock America New York, a tour of Italy, and a century of stunning cars. There's more to see than Ferrari and Lamborghini, and 3 museums in the country's automotive heartland offer a deeper look. An array of Italian sports cars, including Ferraris, in spectacular Rosso, at the National Automobile Museum in Turin, Italy.
Daily FX Market News. October 21st, 6 o'clock America New York, Bitcoin's all-time high sparks life into the altcoin market, Solana pumps. The altcoin market is registering strong gains this morning after Bitcoin's recent ATH lifts the market across the board.
Digital Finance. October 21st. 5:58 America New York, intraday liquidity, Nadim Shamam, DigFin Vox EP16. Do banks know where their liquidity sits, who is using it, and are there risks of it not being available? The post-intraday liquidity, Nadim Shamam, DigFin Vox EP16 appeared first on Digital Finance.
Wall Street Journal Markets. October 21st. 5:34 America New York. Chinese developer defaults pile up as Evergrande contagion spreads. Dollar bond defaults are rising quickly as the country's housing market slumps, and the problem could worsen as a wave of debt from the beleaguered industry comes due in the coming months.
Naked Capitalism. October 21st. 5:34 America New York City retirees refusing to eat the Medicare Advantage dog food. Savvy New York City retirees have worked out that Medicare Advantage sucks.
Wall Street Journal Markets. October 21st. 5:33 America New York. Crypto miners struggle to cut carbon emissions. Producing cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin requires lots of cheap electricity, putting pressure on the industry. Wall Street Journal Markets. October 21st. 5:30 America New York. Plaid pushes into payments business after scuttled Visa deal. The fintech startup is teaming up with Square, Stripe and dozens of others on a digital pay by bank offering.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. October 21st. 5:30 America New York. Tight labor market keeps jobless claims near pandemic lows. Unemployment claims are trending near the lowest levels since the COVID-19 pandemic hit in the spring of 2020, as companies are reluctant to lay off workers amid labor shortages.